everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing this product here, so apologies if I pronounce this wrong. The Shiseido Perfect Cleansing Oil. Let me know how I did with that brand name because I'm never sure. This, for reference, is a 180ml bottle, and this retails for $62 and is sold at Mecca in Australia if you are looking for it. So in my opinion, this is quite expensive. I love the packaging. I actually really like Shiseido's packaging. I think it's so simple, so elegant, just nice and like clean and crisp as well. Like it really just works in my opinion. This oil, I actually really like this. It's so hard because there's a few that I really like. So this is definitely one of those top ones that I would probably consider repurchasing, although it is quite expensive, that's the only thing. But I love the smell. I love how it goes on the skin. It's really easy to like move about, which is always good. I do find I use maybe like 3 pumps of this, whereas others I use less, or some I've actually used more. But yeah, I really like this. Oil cleansing, if you have seen my other videos, I explained that it is something that I'm still fairly new to, but it is definitely a step in my skincare routine that I feel makes a big difference, particularly if you're wearing makeup, or you know, for a guy, if you're out in dirt all day, or or a girl, like either way. But if you're like, yeah, if you're getting lots of things on your skin, I feel like it's just such a great extra step to really like break down the impurities on your skin and then to cleanse after it. I just feel like that combination really works well. But yeah, I 100% would recommend trying this if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Please let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite Shiseido product is, or your favorite cleansing oil, or if you do or do not cleanse with oil. Let me know your thoughts on that as well. I'd love to know if it's popular or not. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks so much. Bye.